Hey, hi all. I welcome you all to this another video on AWS Cloud Practitioner Question series. So let's get started. It states a company wants to migrate its workloads to AWS, but it lacks expertise in AWS cloud computing. So which AWS service or feature will help the company with its entire migration process, right? So we have four options. Option A as AWS Trusted Advisor. Option B, AWS Managed Services. Option C as AWS Artifacts. And option D as AWS Consulting Partners. Now, as we have discussed that there will be an option which would be always present in the question itself as a hint. So let's check for it. So the hint states that migrate its workloads to AWS, but it lacks expertise in AWS cloud computing. So when we talk about this, right, that means the company is actually looking for a specialized AWS service which will help it to support in its entire, okay, like so the migration process, right? So which could be the correct option for this? Now we have option A as AWS Trusted Advisor, option B as AWS Managed Services, option C as AWS Artifacts, and option D as AWS Consulting Partners. As we have discussed in our, previous videos that AWS Trusted Advisor, sorry, it actually helps you to uh, perform all the computing, all the tasks in AWS within a security check within compliance, and also it helps you to follow the best practices, right? So when we understand the functionality of this service, that means it is actually not going to support us with the actual requirement that we have in the question, so it will be the wrong answer. Now coming down to option B, which is AWS managed services, in this it is also going to help the company to scale and to, okay, look at the better opportunities, and also it helps in the process of automation, and it also helps you to regulate all the services and to uh, do all your tasks at the best practice and at the best scale possible. But this will again come after the application or the workload has been actually migrated to AWS, but not before that. So again, this will actually not be the right choice. Now, AWS artifacts. Okay, artifacts, as you can understand by the term, right? It is basically a go-to place wherein you can go through different type of policies, compliance, best practices, and also the features that are there within uh, AWS for its different type of services. So there's all something which will come okay, like so handy after you have done the migration, but not before that. So again, option C is going to be the wrong answer. So now we are just left with option D, which is AWS Consulting Partners. So yes, this is going to be the correct answer because AWS Consulting Partners is a subpart of AWS Partner Network. And as you can see from the description, that APN Network is a global community of partners that actually leverages programs, expertise, and also that resources to build the market, to build and also to market and to sell the customer offerings, right? And APN consulting partners, they are the uh, professional services firms that helps the customer design, architect, build, and migrate, and also manage their workloads and applications in AWS. Yeah. So for a detailed description, I will be pasting a link inside the description box. Please do have a look at it. And I hope you guys have liked the video. And if you like our channel, if you like the content which we are sharing, please do hit the like button and please do subscribe to our channel. And I wish you all a very happy learning. Be practiced.